Good morning. Today starts our third day on Route 66 in Illinois. Believe it or not, there is so much to see in Illinois on Route 66. I would say probably so far, Illinois and Oklahoma are the most populated as far as shops, things to see, natural places even. Like, there's just a lot of stuff here. Last night we stayed at the Sleep Inn in Springfield, and I don't know what's happening. We are not having good luck with our hotels this trip. These hotels have been really bad, and I'm going to definitely leave reviews. I almost died this morning because I always, after my showers, I always sit in whatever chair they provide at the vanity to do my hair and makeup, and I did not notice, but there was no wheel, so I kept flimming back and forth, and at one point I almost flipped completely backwards, and Eli was standing right beside me, so honestly we both almost died. So this is not a good hotel, but the bed was comfortable. I will give them that. Even though there was a big old burn hole on my comforter, the bed was truly comfortable. So because of the status of the room, I was like, I don't fully trust the breakfast. So we're going to be doing that today, which is an expense I did not plan for, as well as it's not on the itinerary. I full legit have itineraries that we're working on. So if you need help planning Route 66, I'm your girl. Hit me up. I will give you all the cool places. So honestly, we're going to see if there's a Taco Bell. I haven't had Taco Bell in days, and honestly, I'm missing my Baja Blast so bad. I know Eli likes their cheesy roll-ups, and I would just probably get a potato taco and we'd hit the road. But we're going to kind of have to move our itinerary around today due to the fact that it is, I don't even think quite 8 o'clock yet. It might be like 8 right on the dot. And things don't open until 9. So I think that's what we're going to do. We're going to try and get around the city as much as we can, taking pictures, and then go visit the Lincoln Presidential Library. And I'm excited. This is going to be our first ever presidential library. And I'm kind of ashamed to admit that just within the last probably 6 months to a year, I learned that the presidential libraries are not actual libraries. So we are actually looking forward to going to the Clinton Presidential Library in Arkansas too at some point. That's going to be a lot of fun. But this is our itinerary. But first, let's try to find a Taco Bell. Man, they loaded me up. This is better than any hotel breakfast, huh? Yeah.
Do some more freaking done.
All right, what did you just inform me?
He died.
That man there died? When did he die?
Like 1:15.
Oh. Thanks for the knowledge. 1, 2, 3, blow.
Yay!
We've got the magic in us. What song was you singing? No, for real, do it. What song were you singing? This time for Africa. Look at that train station. Cool. And this here is the Lincoln Presidential Library. This is where we're going to now. Well, the Presidential Library is closed today. Of course it is. They have a big museum and a big gift shop that are open today. They said tickets start at $15. Again, not an expense I was planning, so I think we're gonna nix that and we'll just hang out here in this really cool, massive gift shop. Yep. Let's look around for a little bit. Got some shirts, big presidential curtain. This way, love. 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 Get over here and listen. The entire trip. Jeez. Postcards. You can even buy this. Well, okay, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Oh, there's train whistles. right down there. Train whistles.
No.
This is pretty cool if your kids are into that.
I'll see. I'll see.
You barely can. Oh wait, no wait, you look through the small one, right? Do you? I don't know. I'm stupid. I'll admit it.
I don't know what the next.
Do you gotta pee?
No, no, no.
How did that story start?
Okay, so you're gonna read it.
No, you told me what? In Michigan we moved to Texas?
We moved to Texas yesterday. We almost went there because. What? That was almost like Donald's.
Bring it here. So you wanna know where we live?
Uh-huh.
Where our home is? Come here. Where? Our home is right here in Kentucky. And right now, we're in this white building.
Yeah, and there's more whites.
Yeah.
White. White. White.
Check out that awesome mural. Blow the light green. Sing the song.
We got the magic.
Alright, so Eli, get your finger out your nose. Eli,
What?
we're going to Abraham Lincoln's grave now. Okay? Yeah. We're gonna go inside, and they made it like a palace. Eli, look at the clock.
Uh-huh.
So this is Oak Ridge Cemetery. Look at the little building here. And here we go. Wow.
Is it just a statue?
Oh no, baby, this is where all the peoples die and come. See that big one right there? We can go inside it and it's like a little palace. You're getting a lot of education. Oh, look at this one. That's cool.
Yeah, but it got burned down like for
No, it's just an old rock.
just old.
Yeah.
Huh, that makes sense.
For some reason, I didn't even pay attention to the fact that he was buried in a cemetery. I thought it was just like a piece of land or something. I don't know what I was thinking. Oh, there's a train. Oh, God. All right. Oh, there's another train. I hear a train. Where's that train coming from? Your mouth. All right, let's find a parking spot. Actually, right here's perfect. All right, let's go see Mr. Lincoln's grave and pay our respect. Now listen, this is a cemetery, okay? So we don't act crazy, we be quiet, and we listen and learn, okay? Thank you. We finally made it to the Lincoln tomb. Trying to rub his nose for good luck. A lot of Route 66ers rub his nose for luck on the road. Can I open the door?
I can't.
You can't?
Need some help.
Oh, it is really heavy. Oh, wow. Yeah, we're going this way. Walk slow. Be respectful. He's creeping. Stop. No running. So there's a sign here and it says that he is actually buried in a vault 10 feet below this here. Flags to the left are the states that his ancestors once lived. So we have Massachusetts, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Virginia. And then the flags to the right are the ones that Abraham Lincoln has lived in. So Kentucky, Indiana, and Illinois. And then behind us here okay, these are the tombs of his wife Mary Todd and 3 of his 4 children. One's in there. This is an amazing place. So let's see, he died, looks like the last one died in 1926. I didn't realize that it went that far. I thought it was all like the 1800s, so that's really quite interesting. I'm gonna look that up later. Robert Todd Lincoln. Very interesting. I wonder why the 4th. I'll have to look up the history of why it's only 3 out of 4. This is a very interesting place. Wow, what a place. What a place. That was incredible. Come here. Stop. Tell me your thoughts about inside there. Look here. Look here. Tell me what you thought about inside.
I don't hear a sound and just, I don't know.
Yeah, there was some people walking around, so we heard some sounds.
And yeah.
And this over here is the, I forgot what it's called, but basically the keeper of the land's house. I don't know if they still live there or not. I heard him talking about it, but I was too far away. But it's very interesting. Very interesting. Alright. We're in Old Navy trying to find me a shirt. And look at these little moccasins. Oh my God. Alright, we are on Snell Road in Auburn, Illinois. And this is the brick road of Route 66. There are massive vultures out there eating something dead. Oh.
Huh?
Ew, they're really going to town over there. What? Yeah, they're still over there eating. So what's special about this road here is that it is hand-laid brick. It's just shy of 1.5 miles long. It was done over a concrete road back in 1931. So I don't know how it's still in such good shape, but we're gonna drive the little road here, and yeah, we're riding on a piece of history, you guys. This is amazing. We just stumbled upon this sign. Both me and Eli was like, gotta go look at that.
That's our plan.
Action. Here we have this theater. Carlinville Marvel Theater. It was first opened in 1920. So 103 years later, it still stands. And it's still going. People were going in and, well, they're showing Super Mario Bros. Right now. I'm officially lost. I have no internet service. My phone is even slowing up. What? I don't know what's going on. Wow. Okay, hold on. Alright, we are lost. Not really. I have access to Google Maps and I was able to zoom in and find the little country road in the middle of nowhere that I'm supposed to go on to connect to I-55. I don't know which way I need to go. I just know I need to go that way, whatever that way is, towards Litchfield, Illinois, where we will hit up the Route 66 Museum and Welcome Center and a little shop to get a donut. Hopefully they're open, and make our way from there. We should be able to pick up some more service when we're out there. We are literally in BFE, Illinois right now, so fingers crossed. My phone is slowing up and delaying, which is worrying me, so I'm like, what is happening? I give up at this point. Alright, I ended up picking up service just a couple minutes after that last clip, and it did take me a different direction on 2 different county roads. But we are currently passing over the interstate.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto East Frontage Road.
So we're actually going to be at the place in 0.2 miles now. So it worked out. I was headed in the right direction, so I'm very proud of myself for figuring that out. But yeah, we'll be there shortly. Hopefully they're open.
Take the next right onto East Frontage Road.
Yes, ma'am. All right. East Frontage Road, Route 66.
Continue on East Frontage Road for 3/4 of a mile.
Here is the Litchfield Drive-In. Very cool. So, fun fact, this is where it all began. This is the Litchfield Route 66 Museum Welcome Center. I want to say it was 3 years ago. It might have been 2. I can't remember. We were on a family trip going through Illinois, and we stopped here, and I got so excited to have some part of Route 66. Like, I was flipping out. And I told David, I was like, I gotta drive, you gotta let me drive now, because I just wanted to say I could technically drove on Route 66. And I mean, I shit you not, it was like literally around the corner. We went to a Goodwill or something. Like, it was literally 2 minutes, if that. And but I was just so excited, and that's what started this whole thing. I was like, okay, I gotta make this happen. I gotta drive the whole thing now. That was so cool. So, and here we are. Let's see, I still have like most of Mexico, Arizona and California left to go, and hopefully we will do majority of that next year, if not all of it. Fingers crossed. So it's taken me a long time to finish, but it's because finances, it's quite expensive to drive this road still, and time off work. You know, I'm not old, so I don't have the luxury of getting money and retiring and like just being on the road. I don't have that luxury yet. So one day I will, and then I will be gone all the time. But yeah, I think we're going to pop into the museum, and then we're going to go, if they're still open, grab a donut. But this happened. And as you can see, I'm totally not being quiet or anything. So that's how I know he's conked out. He's been tired for a while today. So I'm going to play on my phone for a little while, let him sleep. And then I'll wake him up and we'll head in. But yeah, I'm excited. So all of the museums are, of course, Route 66 themed, but mostly focused on that area. So this is for the Litchfield, Illinois area. Very cool. And Eli wants to show you guys the train. Here's the outside of the building at nighttime. Very cool. All right, show us this train, buddy. Whoa. Let's go look at the Coca-Cola stuff.
Okay. Whoa.
Look at that big Coca-Cola fridge holder thing.
Older thing.
Very cool.
And
And trucks? Neat.
That was almost like hot smoke. I don't know what.
All right, let's go across the street and get a donut. What do you say? How are they? Good. What did you do? I think we need to go to the bathroom, huh? Oh, you're so silly. So if this tells you how slow we're going, we're only 245 miles from Chicago. There is a lot to see. And we're actually headed up to Henry's Rabbit Ranch, which it says is 17 miles away. All right, I'm pulling an audible here. We're literally 3 minutes away from our very last stop, which is the Henry's Rabbit Ranch. Now, I don't really, it is what it is, you know, for me. But we were gonna try to make it, and then it just started storming really bad. And I went ahead and I got online and can't really find appropriate, like legit hours, but there was one website that did say 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday through Saturday, so not Sundays. So I'm just gonna call it. I'm at half a tank. We're gonna fill up and head to the hotel because it is a decent drive to the hotel. I think we might hang out here for a while, maybe grab some chips out of the back and just take it easy. There's a dude on a motorcycle. He's just sitting here like, I ain't doing it. It has been lightning, but I did check the radar and it's just a thin little strip. So it should be done and out of the way soon. So I'm just going to hang out. Yeah. Alright, I just got an alert on my phone a few minutes ago that we are actually in a tornado warning in this area. It is storming, it is hailing. There was a lot of cars pulled off to the side of the road. I'm seeing clear clouds ahead, so I know that we made it out just in time. But it was crazy because I started noticing some clouds, like we were driving back into another storm. And I noticed some clouds that looked a little sus, and I'm like, okay, they're probably just clouds. They're probably just storm clouds. And then it started raining, and then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, it started hailing, and people were going a lot slower. And then I get this big flashing red and black alert on my phone saying tornado warning in your area. Oh my God. I think I handled it like a badass bitch. And if y'all know me, tornadoes are like my #2 fear. So this is like legit. Oh my God. Okay, so we made it out. We held hands. We did our thing. But like I said, everybody was parked on the side of the road with their hazards. So I pulled over too. and it said seek shelter in case of flying debris. And I'm like, well, what's sitting on the side of the highway gonna do? There's no exits around to take, at least not yet. But I noticed there were some cars and some semis that were still driving, and I was like, maybe if I can like edge in between two semis, maybe. But then maybe a wind will blow and the semis will hit us. I don't know. So now it looks like it's just rain. The skies are clearing a little bit, but that was scary. That was scary. The hail was really big too. I was so scared it was gonna break the windshield. But we're good now. We got clear skies. So as soon as we can get out of the rain, we'll be okay. We still have like an hour and a half to get to the hotel. Wow, that was... Wow. Okay. State Police Training Academy, next exit. Oh my God. We are wrapping up our third night on Route 66 in Illinois. We have stopped at La Mex in Pontiac, Illinois for supper. And I mean, so far the chips are really good. The salsa's a little hot, but the food on the menu looks good. And they've got decent reviews, so let's check it out. Take a drink.